Hey there, cuties!
Hi.
So today we are already at our destination, which is
The beach.
the beach, as you can see. Kiana's super excited. She already wants to jump in the water. But yeah, we're at Pacifica in San Francisco, and we're just gonna do some stuff in the sand and water and feed some birds, all right?
And from when we were coming here, you could see all the time lapses and everything.
Yeah. All
And
right.
after this, we're also going to Daiso.
Yes. Oh yeah, we're gonna go to Daiso in Saramonte. And yeah, see you then.
Hi. I forgot how crazy it is.
Yeah.
I totally forgot because I haven't been here forever.
So our beach day is over, kind of. Just the beach part of our day is over.
The beach.
Yeah, but we're definitely gonna go to the beach probably more than once. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so yeah, we're gonna head over to Daiso now. But how was the ocean? Yeah.
Great.
It was great. It wasn't too cold.
It was cold, but
Yeah. So we're gonna head over to Daiso and then we'll continue vlogging there. Okay. See you there. First Daiso trip of the summer. Ooh. Here, just go ahead of me and I'll take video of you walking in. And no cameras. Oh no, no filming, Kiana. No filming. So where are we eating, Kiana?
Catch.
Pacific Catch. And what did you get?
I got fish and chips with lemon, orange, regular spiced fries, and broccoli.
Yeah, we just had like a whole bowl of sweet potato fries, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I just got the mixed catch with sweet potato fries because you can't get enough. All right, now that's over. Let's finally eat.
And then they got
Oh yeah. Yeah, we got a good mix of food here. Mmm, delicious. How was that food at Pacific Catch? It was great.
Now we're at the bookstore.
Yeah, we're at the bookstore. It's Green Apple Books. They have a really cool book set up here. We're in the kids section. And yeah, we're just gonna read off.
Also over there is
Yeah, there's a lot of cool books there. Like I grabbed this cute fashion book and I'm thinking about getting it. But yeah, we're just gonna read off the calories we ate and yeah. So we're in the washroom because Kiana just took a bath and she smelled like the ocean.
because we just went there.
Because we just went there. But yeah, we're just gonna end our vlog here. I had a super big belly ache, so that's why it's super late now, and yeah, we're already kind of cleaned up because I overate at Pacific Catch. But yeah, we'll look forward to our next video. Maybe we'll do a sit-down video before we do another vlog. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you again next time. There's a fly in here, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.